Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm right here with the one and only Birdie. MC. He's about to rap one of his original freestyle songs. So, if you haven't heard, you better be ready.
Yo, MC Birdie right here. This is how I kick it, homie, from Cali. It's a little freestyle, and this is what I do. Will I chill by the bay? Santa Rosa where we stay. 707 nigga cruising straight by the bay. You know I stated where I stated, motherfucker, when we made it. MC fucking Birdie, motherfucker, when I stated. Yeah, by the bay, Proposition 215. Legalize cannabis every nationwide. Roll it up, take a hit, yeah, from the blunt. I hit it so good, that's that purple mighty skunk. Now we hit it with the chronic, killing fucking supersonic. Hit it down so bionic. You might think I'm ironic, but I say fucking stated, motherfucker, where we made it. Santa Rosa, Cali, motherfucker, by the bay. Stay, yep, motherfucker, statewide. Hit it straight down, motherfucker, what's your side? I stay by the bay, east side, motherfucker. Occidental, hit it down, but I say, fucking sucker. Yeah, by the bay, yeah, fuck the motherfuckers. Sucker free, bitch, hit it down, fuck them clickers. I'll tell you before, and then I state it again. My name is MC fucking Birdie, motherfucker, when I reminisce. And now I hit it straight down. Fuck the bitch. I don't give a fuck about no hoe. Yeah, that's right, hit it down, motherfucker, hit it slow. Hit it slow. Hit it slow. I ride where we stay. I ride by the bay. Motherfucking Cali, motherfucker CA. Yeah. And this is how we go. MC fucking Birdie, motherfucker, hit it slow. Hit it straight down, motherfucker, yeah, motherfucker, Santa Rosa town, hit it, SRC, yeah, California living. I'm feeling so good, motherfucker, now I'm breathing. I hit it, I'm down with the motherfucking pipe. I hit it so good, motherfucker, with the mic. Yeah, I roll it up, motherfucker, from the bay. My name is MC Birdie, motherfucker, and then I curse where we stay. California living. I might fuck up, motherfucker, but I'm breathing. I'm still fucking living. Santa Rosa living, motherfucker. I'll tell you one more time, fuck the motherfucker suckers, sucker free. And that's what I gotta say. MC fucking Birdie, cruising by the bay. CA every day, motherfucker. Fuck a hoe, bitch, motherfucker, fuck a sucker.
You good?
Yeah, I'm good. But yeah, show that to you.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. Weren't you surprised? I was.